Hi, in this video, I would like to discuss about how we can pick those products which has highest shipping cost. So first I will pick only that product which has highest shipping cost. After that, I will pick 5 products who has highest shipping cost, which has highest shipping cost. Let's see how we can do through the VLOOKUP. So here I'm moving on Excel. So what I have to extract here? So I'm just merge and pick product name which has highest shipping cost. So this scenario I have to do in VLOOKUP. So here, first I want to pick highest shipping cost. So you will have to apply here equal to large. You have to go there, and here you need to go to shipping cost column. So here I'm taking complete range of shipping cost. Freezed it, comma. So here I will pick maximum shipping cost. So I need to apply here max function, and here I will pick the complete range of data. Enter. This is a maximum shipping cost. Okay. So this shipping cost for which product? So you need to pick the product name which has this shipping cost. So you need to apply here VLOOKUP function. In VLOOKUP function, the lookup value is highest shipping cost. So comma, then you have to take data range. So data range, my lookup value is shipping cost. So you have to take data range from shipping cost. So here you need to select the shipping cost first. Then you have to move on right side. I have taken complete data range. It's not mandatory to take complete data range. You can take data range till product name. So this is my product name in R column. So this is a product name. Till product name you can take data range. So if you want to take data range till last column, it's no issue. So you can take it. I have freezed here, comma. Then you have to take here column number. So now you have to take column number of product name from shipping cost. So you have to count. So my shipping cost is this one: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 7, 8. So this is the 8 number column. So first is shipping cost, second is customer, third, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So here I need to put column number 8, comma, 0, bracket close, enter. So this is the product cost which has highest shipping cost. Now, so this is the product which has highest shipping cost. Now I want to pick that product which has lowest shipping cost. So how we can do it? So here I need to take header, lowest shipping cost. So here you need to pick the lowest shipping cost through the min function. Min, then you have to take here complete range of shipping cost. So I'm taking here complete range of shipping cost, freeze, enter. So this is the lowest shipping cost. So this value will be as a lookup value of VLOOKUP. So you need to apply here VLOOKUP. First parameter of VLOOKUP is lookup value, comma. Then you have to go there and take complete range of data from shipping cost. So control shift right arrow, down arrow, freeze date, and here you need to take comma, column number 8, comma 0. Why I'm taking here column number 8? From shipping cost to product name has total count 8. So first, second, third, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 number column. That's why I'm taking here column number 8. Then enter. Now this is the product which has lowest shipping cost. So this is the way to pick the highest shipping cost product. This is the functions to pick the lowest shipping cost product. Suppose you have one scenario, so you have to pick those products which has five highest shipping cost. So first you need to pick 5 highest shipping cost, then I will pick the product name. So you need to apply here equal to large, then you have to go there and take complete range of this data, freeze it, comma, then you have to pick here row number 1. Sorry, first highest shipping cost you can take through the 1. This 1 will give you highest shipping cost. Enter. So you can see here I was getting same value here. So on the basis of this value you are getting shipping cost product name, highest shipping cost product name. So same value I'm getting, but this value is static value. Here I need to make it dynamic to pick the row number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 5 till 5. So how we can make it dynamic? So here you need to use this row function. Row, you have to take row number of any column, first row, enter. So this function will give you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, control D. So this function you have to utilize with this parameter of large function. So here I will apply row function. You have to take first row of any column. First row of any column means you will get 1 for this H1. So H1. So this 1 you will get as a output. So if I'm getting here 1 as a output, then you will get first largest shipping cost. Enter. Now drag in downside in 5 cells. You are getting second shipping cost, third shipping cost, fourth shipping cost, fifth shipping cost. Now you have to pick the product name. You have to take lookup value, this product cost. Okay. So now here I will discuss about VLOOKUP with large function. So here I have taken the large function as a lookup value to pick the highest shipping cost, comma, then you have to take complete data range. So you have to go to data sets and you have to take complete range of shipping cost to last data, freeze it, comma, then you have to take column number 8. Your column number 8 is shipping cost to product name. So if you want to count, then you have to take here count. Shipping cost is first, second, third, fourth, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is a product name. So I have taken the 8th number column, comma, 0, bracket close, enter. Now you are getting same product name is a highest shipping cost. So see here, this output and this output is same. When I will drag in downside, you will get all the products name. Okay. So third shipping cost and fourth shipping cost is same. So that's why you are getting same product name. So this is all those products which has highest 5 shipping cost. Now I want to pick here 5 lowest shipping cost. So here I'm just taking next example. Here I'm doing merge and I'm taking header, pick 5 most shipping cost product name. So this is the scenario name. So I have written for users convenient. Now I will take same, but here I will pick only those products which has lowest shipping cost. So here I'm taking maximum shipping cost. And here I will pick those products which has 5 minimum shipping costs. So now you need to apply here equal to, you have to apply here a small function. So you have to take complete range of shipping cost. So you have to take complete range of shipping cost from this column, freeze it, comma, then you have to apply row number to take 1, 2, 3, 4. So if I'm taking row number of any column, but row number should be 1. So here I'm taking H1, or you can take any column, but row number should be 1. So here I'm taking J1, bracket close, enter. So you are getting lowest shipping cost. So dragged it. So lowest shipping cost is same. So here you will get same product name. So this example I'm telling you, you have to pick only those products name which has lowest profit. So you need to apply here a small function, and you have to take complete range of profit. So here I'm taking profit, freeze it, comma, you have to take here row function, and you have to pick row number of 1 for any column. So I'm taking here J1, so I will take row number, enter. So this is the maximum loss. So these are things which has maximum loss. So I need to pick the product names which has maximum loss. So here I'm changing the title of this scenario, maximum loss. Maximum loss product name. So here I have picked the maximum loss. Now you have to take this output as a lookup value of VLOOKUP. So I have taken the lookup value, comma, then you have to take complete data range. So you have to go there and take complete data range from profit. So my profit column is I column. So you have to take complete data range, freeze it, comma, then you have to pick the column number of product. So you have to check what is the column number of product names from profit. So my profit column is this one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this is the column number 10. So I will take here 10, comma 0, bracket close, enter. So this is the product name which has maximum loss. So see here, these 3 products which has maximum loss. So this is the example of VLOOKUP with small and large function. Thank you so much for this video.